again, the 2.5 cup. I am going to put in like 2.5 cup lukewarm water. So 1 and 2 cup lukewarm water. So with my whole fresh milk, I warm it a little bit so I can don't warm it too hot because it's gonna kill your yeast. So just warm it like lukewarm milk. I mix the milk with the lukewarm water. So now I'm gonna putting in my sugar. I will get my sugar. So this is half cup. So I'm gonna put in 7.5 cup of this. If I use the whole the 1 cup, then I will put in like 4.5. But since I'm using the half cup, I'm gonna put in like 7. So you don't have to adopt it if it's not sweetened, but it is guaranteed for sure it's sweet. So now I got everything. I got the whole fresh milk, 2.5 cup, two times of 2.5 cup warm water, and 3 white eggs. Remember, I set aside and prepare this before I even put everything together and mix it in the bowl. So this is my mixing the birawa with the dry milk. So mix this up first. So this is my mix, and this is the birawa. I'm using this to mix my stuff. So this is for my bread. I'm not doing my bread. So as you can see, this is my bread. You can see this is my bread. It's done. I'm gonna just make it, let it rise. Now I'm gonna move on to my tempura. So you gotta see how I'm going to mix the donuts. Mukbang chukbang donuts. This is our chukbang donut. So try see. I like to use my stick spoon as my tool. It's just so useful because I don't make my hand too dirty. So instead of using the bread machine, I use ham and all my kitchen tools. And you know the reason why our Chuki's mukbang tastes so delicious, because it's made by hand. It doesn't make by bread machine or cake machine, but it's my passion The secret ingredients is you gotta love what you do. That's your passion, and it's made by hand. And you gotta just love doing what you do in your kitchen. Because without loving what you do as your passion, then your food is not gonna taste good. So you have to love what you do and enjoy what you do. Because if you're not, then your donut